In this video, we will look at how to create a ranking column into a data table. We start off with a data set that has a date time column and a numeric column called sales and another numeric column called transactions. Onto this, we happen to have added an automatic key as well. But what we will do now is add a different type of calculated column, which is a ranking column. So we go to the calculated columns pill, and then we say new column and we say ranking. And in the settings, we can choose a title, which we can edit. And the source column could be either sales or transactions. And the sort order can be ascending, descending, or none. If we do descending, we will see that the 1 is given to what seems to be the highest value. And if we apply the ranking column to a visual table here, we see that we can sort by this column, and we see that the number 1 ranking is the highest sales. At the bottom here we have a tie of rank 20 between two identical values.